Spusu Operator Honest Review Watch before using. Most people think all mobile operators are the same, but Spusu offers a fresh approach that could change how you think about phone plans. Spusu is a mobile virtual network operator based in Europe, focusing on flexible prepaid and postpaid plans. One standout feature is simplicity. You pay only for what you need, with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Unlike traditional carriers, Spusu offers fully customizable plans where you can adjust data, minutes, and SMS each month. Most people get this wrong. They assume prepaid plans mean limited features. The surprising truth is Spusu includes features like international calls, data rollover, and free EU roaming, making it competitive even with major operators. Their SIM cards work across multiple devices, and you can manage everything through an intuitive mobile app. Another advantage is customer service. Spusu emphasizes fast and friendly support via chat, email, and social media, which many traditional carriers struggle to provide. Users also appreciate the environmentally conscious approach, including paperless contracts and eSIM options. However, there are considerations. Coverage depends on partner networks, so in some rural areas service may be weaker compared to large carriers. Also, premium features like extra international data or high-speed options may cost more, so you need to review your usage carefully. In conclusion, Spusu was ideal for users seeking flexibility, transparency, and a mobile-first experience without long-term contracts. Its combination of customizable plans, EU-friendly features, and customer-focused service makes it a refreshing alternative in the telecom space. Subscribe for more honest telecom reviews before choosing your next operator.